Euro USD, we start with the daily chart. Okay, as we have been mentioning with the daily chart, that we want to see whether this is a correction for the continuation or the price can reverse. Okay, whether the price can reverse from here or break the top, reverse. Now, but now, not right now, we are within this move. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Okay, if we refer back to my last video analysis, one of the options we were looking for was we were looking for this move as a correction for the next move down. Okay, that's why in my previous last video on weekends I mentioned we need to, for this week, we need to look for this, and we are more interested in the sell. And even I mentioned that the better the price, when the price, I mean, can drop from here or even the break the top, any of them can give us a different flat. But right now, I'm based on what we have, we see the price drop, and this is what we have been looking, I'm mentioning in my last video. And now the thing is, as we can see, the price broke the low. The only thing is how deep this one can go, and whether even based on daily chart, we mentioned that this is a correction for the, that's when the price is start to reverse from here, or we getting for the correction for the next move up. Okay, anyway, we don't have any confirmation. We need to see, since just today the price break the low, how deep it can go. And based on indicators, only make this show us the divergence, but divergence doesn't mean anything based on what we have right now. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup and the price is dropping, and now we want to see how we can trade. If you refer to 1 hour chart, and this is what we have in my previous analysis, I mentioned one of the way the price can, if the break give a flag, we can look for sell. As we can see, the sharply price broke, we get this one. Okay, then the price, this is one of the opportunity to sell. The another one, when the price reverse, because when the price reverse, we will have this, we have another internal flat. It's not the internal flat, I mean, this is the flat for this move, for the next move down. Okay, whether the trader they sell from here, or after they see this one they look for sell, but right now they should be in the sell. And as long as since the price broke the low, they need to at least move their stop loss to break even. Okay, now the thing is how deep this one can go. Okay, we are not sure. If we're looking for sell right now, we don't have any sell setup. The only way we can look for sell if we get any small correction or a small flag, we can look for sell. If we get a bigger correction, it can give us a better trade. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is those traders that are in this trade, they have to protect their trade because based on forward chart, there is a possibility the price can reverse. But right now, we don't know how deep it can go before we get the reversal, or maybe we don't give the reversal and this is the start of the down move, as I explained based on daily chart. And all those divergence we have here, I don't think so we need to rely on this as right now, because maybe if the price can drop a bit more, then there won't, I mean, then we don't see, maybe we don't see any more divergence. But anyway, anyone in the trade, they have to protect their trade. Again, any correction, if you want to sell a small flag, consider it a short term from now. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. The only way we can look for buy if there is a confirmation, and we don't have, if I say any confirmation, what we want is similar to what I have here, reverse, I mean a sharp move up, big correction for the next move up. Okay, anyway, we don't have any correction for the buy, and any sell, as I mentioned, is a short term. In this case, we just follow the chart. If you see any changes or reversal, or whether there is a continuation for the, I mean, if you get a bigger correction, okay, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.